Hi there, and welcome to our feature video for the Aussie Sewing Cabinet by Kangaroo Sewing Furniture. I'm Lynn Mares, and I can't wait to show you all of the amazing features of this signature cabinet. If you're looking to enhance your sewing and crafting experience, stay organized, and add comfort and convenience to your sewing room, the Aussie is perfect for you. Let's get started. The Aussie is a quilter's paradise. And I'm here to tell you, with what Aussie provides, we can get you off that dining room table. She comes in two finishes, Teak and Ash White, a melamine laminate finish that is durable. Aussie provides such a large work surface, it's perfect for those large work projects or quilting. What you're looking at here is just a little under 8.5 feet, and depth-wise, without this caddy, we're looking at about 4 feet. The quilt leaf off the back gives you a generous 25 inches or 2 feet of workspace alone. The Aussie has a 3-position hydraulic lift. It is a dual rail hydraulic lift that accommodates 95% of the machines on the market. We're talking not those really large embroidery machines, but 95% of them that have about an 11 to 12 inch throat space. The lift opening itself is 23 3/4 by 12 1/2. Now let me demonstrate how easy it is to move between the 3 positions. I'm removing the custom-made acrylic insert that you can order for your machine. I'm going to put the machine down into a storage position. Take the lift covering to give you nice solid surface to work on, to do your quilting and work on your large projects. But it's time to sew again. I'm going to take my machine out of its storage position. I'm going to move it up. Here it is into free arm, so if I'm doing a little garment sewing. Or if you're like most quilters and sewists, we love the flatbed position because it keeps our wrists in that ergonomically comfortable position, and it's so easy on our back. It allows the projects to flow smoothly across the bed of the machine. No snags, no drags. On this door, we have 3 generous cubbies. We have 2 on the top that are the same size, and then a larger, deeper cubby down here on the bottom. Perfect for storing all of your sewing notions right at your fingertips. And if I can joke like me, how many seam rippers do I need around? Too many, I'm always losing them. Next, I'm going to bring you over to this caddy. It is a 3-position caddy. Talking about those of you that have a serger and need a space to serge. Or some of you with those secondary sewing machines, you can sew on this surface. Here we have the cubby down here that can store a smaller serger or a standard size serger, or project boxes for those of you that don't serge. We have 2 drawers, soft close. You do have some bookshelves. Say we don't need this out. We want it a little further out. We need some more space. I'm going to move her caddy out. It attaches right here to the door. And again, solid work surface. You can put your serger on here. You can put a secondary sewing machine on here. You've got the space to maneuver, and you have some beautiful work surface available to you. Now watch how easy it is to fold this down. Watch this. We're going to close this down. The J-hooks right here come out. That's what supports these panels onto this door. Folding it up. Look at this. Time saving, takes seconds to do. Extremely versatile. We're going to lock this up so we can keep little fingers away from our scissors, our rotary cutter, our sewing machines, whatever else we have stored in here, locked up, safe and secure. Convenience in a bundle here. Quilter's Paradise. The Aussie has it all. It sits on heavy-duty industrial casters, again, that allows you to move it around your room and configure to your sewing space. The Aussie's it. You're off your dining room table. It's all here. Convenience, comfort in a bundle. The Aussie is the perfect solution to meet your sewing room needs. If you would like more information or design inspiration for your growing sewing studio, you can click on these links for more videos. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And if you have any questions, please reach out to our amazing customer service team. We will be happy to help. For now, I'm Lynn Mares. Thanks for watching and happy sewing.